stand with what Zulu people are doing, being in front of the line, chasing away illegal immigrants out of our country. But then what I don't like is that the way they are so tribalistic, like when they see someone, but we Shangani and whatnot, they forget that Shanganians are South Africans. Now, let's just put it and say they successfully chase away illegal immigrants out of the country. What else can they do? Right? That's when tribalism will arise.
Caring. Yeah. And the Tsongas are not happy. I can tell you, my people are not happy about it.
Mm-hmm.
Belong, Kagaz, again.
Mm-hmm.
This thing is not sitting well with us.
Mm.
We are like slavery's best dealer. We've been turning the other chicks like Zimbabweans.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. People are running out of patience. This tribal thing, should end in South Africa before a country it takes another direction.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to live in a country where there's civil war. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Tina, the reason we are doing what we are doing is because we've got a giraffe view and we want to stop Lento Lena waiting a PCs. Thing a figure,
mm-hmm.
Tsongas, vendors and the pedis, they are tired being called Shanganis and Kwerekweres in their own country.
Mm.
Trust me. And I listen to the voices of the voiceless. I'm always on the ground. These people are talking.
Yeah.
Yes, in fact, there's a lot of Zulu people working again, but no one has ever been a subject of tribalism.
Mm.
Tina, we're raised differently. Ashbilong.
Mm-hmm.
With respect, culture, and being a proud South African.
Mm.
That is why we'll never put anyone whose situation belong within the South African borders.
Mm-hmm.
You've never heard anything,
But don't you think